In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove Gmail account from your Android phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. The easiest way to do so is just swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. Once you are at Settings, scroll down until you find Accounts and Backup. We need to get into it. And then at the very top, we can easily find Manage Accounts. If we get into Manage Accounts, it will show us all the accounts associated with that particular device, including Facebook, Gmail, Messenger, and others. That's where I can easily find two of my Gmail accounts, and that's where we can easily remove any account from our device. To do that, first off, we need to tap at that account, and that's where we can easily find Remove Account button. If we tap on it, it will say that removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. Other data means that the account will be signed out from all the Google apps such as Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, and others. However, please keep in mind that this will not remove the account itself. This will just remove it from your device. To continue, just tap at Remove Account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.